guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this really cute dinosaur. Start off by drawing an oval shape for the head. Two big circles for the eyes, and in each of these draw one big circle and one little circle. Then add eyelashes, a smile and eyebrows. For its spikes, I'm doing triangles with a curved top and I'm making them different sizes. I'm then drawing in 2 feet and a heart shape within them, and then I'm joining it to the body. I'm then drawing the arms and adding the heart that it's holding. And then I'm going to add the tail and the spikes down the body and the tail. Using a black fine liner, I'm going to outline the eye and go over all the pencil lines that you've drawn, and then use a black Sharpie to colour it in, leaving the 2 circles white. Pause this video now and go ahead and black line over all the pencil lines that you drew, and then use a rubber to rub out any of the pencil lines that may still be showing through. Dinosaur pink, but you can choose whatever colour you want. So I'm colouring the main body in pink and the head, and then I'll be using a light purple to colour in the spikes and the hearts on the feet. I'm using a darker pink to colour in the heart and a grey to colour in the floor. I'm now starting to add shading, so on the left side of the face I'm using a dark pink to start adding that shading, and I'm just colouring around the same curve that we've drawn. Using a dark purple to shade in the spikes, and I'll be using a maroon colour to shade in the heart that it's holding. start adding highlights. So I'm just adding lines on the right side, or the opposite side that you shaded. There's the finished dinosaur. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!